This is our newest GSM Plus Wi-Fi home alarm system. First, I will display, show you how to arm wire app, wire Wi-Fi. Now it's a V arm. I press this arm button. It's very quick. Then I will show you how to learn alarm sensors. Test. Okay. Then I change the zoning of this door sensor. Find the first zone and change the zone name. Okay, keep. Now I trigger again. You see the zoning has been changed when I arm the system. Okay, trigger the alarm sensor. You may find the zoning already changed. Okay, now I want to check via IP camera what's happening in my house. Wire press APP IP camera. Find the IP camera. Now you may check what's happening. Okay. Now finish.